Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to use Apple Pay on your iPhone. To use Apple Pay on your iPhone, this is what you have to do. The first thing you have to do, you have to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's open up my settings. So once you open up your settings, to use Apple Pay, you want to add your card to your iPhone. So once you add your card, whether you want to add your Visa card or you want to add your MasterCard or you want to add your any card you have that you are using with your bank that you want to link to your Apple account, that is the card you will add to this Apple account. So to use Apple Pay on your iPhone, you have to add your card to it so that you can use it for future purchases. So how do you add your card to your iPhone so that you can begin to use your Apple account to purchase things on your iPhone? So once you get to the settings on here, you want to tap on your name at the top. So that is your Apple account. So let's tap on that. Once you tap on your name at the top, what I want you to do on here, I want you to tap on payment and shipping. You can see we have payment and shipping over here. So let's tap on payment and shipping. So once you tap on payment and shipping, let's wait for it to open up for us. So once you tap on the payment and shipping, it will load up this page for you. So once it brings you here, what you want to do here to use your Apple Pay, to use Apple Pay on your iPhone, you want to add your payment method. So just tap on this add payment method. Once you tap on this add payment method, it will ask you to put in your card details and verify your card with your details, and the card will be added to your Apple account successfully. So once you have added your account to it, then you can now begin to use your Apple Pay to pay for apps or anything you want to buy or you want to purchase on your iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually use your Apple Pay on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.